Sure, we will help.
Confident Baki assured the media today that the public safety prior to the Games and after the Games is guaranteed. A total of 2,600 police personnel will be deployed to provide security and public safety. From the total police personnel, 30 each will be joining them from other regions starting on the 15th of this month. Their sister forces, the PNGDF and Correctional Service, will deploy 300 personnel each. Commissioner Baki announced today that Chief Superintendent David Manning is the overall operations commander for the July Games. All venues and other supplementary locations within the city, like Jackson's International Airport, have their own commanders that will be in charge during the Games.
Chief Superintendent Manning has been responsible for the planning of these games over the last couple of years, and as such, it is appropriate for me to appoint him as the overall commander for the games.
While RPNGC chairs the Games Safety and Security Plan to support the main operation, PNGDF will be engaged in vital asset protection to ensure minimal disruption of services such as water and electricity through criminal acts. They will also provide quick reaction forces to the venues, aerial and sea platforms, as well as for ceremonial duties. The Correctional Service will be deployed to the venues and other areas in the city to ensure a high level of public safety and security. The Transport Department will engage 300 of its officers to assist in managing and controlling traffic to ensure designated routes to and from the venues are okay. And PNG Fire Service will be assisting in safety risk.
Prior to the games and 2 weeks after the games, just as critical, we have factored these 2 periods into our security planning as well.
Operations conducted will target known criminal hotspots, illegal liquor outlets, traffic enforcement, and illegal street vendors. Phase 2 focuses on delivering the safety operations.
The support of every man, women, and child. This is our country. This is our moment. Let us rise to the occasion. Let us give the visiting athletes, officials, friends, and visitors an experience they will remember fondly and treasure for always.
Vasinata Yama, National MTV News.